we're actually facing some pretty challenging times for our business. As our consumers grapple with inflation, higher taxes levied on MPESA, voice, SMS, mobile, and now fixed data, our business is actually finding itself forced to maintain an increasingly delicate balance. On the one hand, we have to deliver relevant products and services at a great value to our customers, whilst on the other, we have to protect shareholder value. And despite the opportunities that we see for sustained growth, we're concerned about the impact that greater taxation is having on an already strained consumer budget, which may well negate the efforts to increase government's revenue generation.
MPESA grew at 18.2% year over year. From the pie chart at the bottom of the slide, you can see MPESA now accounts for 30% of service revenue, indicating a resilience in a business model vis-a-vis a traditional telco. Mobile data, which is currently going through a pricing journey, experienced easing of growth and was still up at 10.8% year over year. Mobile data now accounts for 16.5% of our service revenue.